Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, dual pane sunroof, Chevrolet safety assist package such as lane keep assist and lane departure warning, premium leather heated and ventilated seats, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. Again, we're going to have this two-tone tan and black leather finish here. It's going to have your power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows. It's going to come equipped with seat memory and mirror memory as well. You can access your rear lift gate. It's also going to come equipped with a Bose speaker sound system here. Of course, we're going to have our Equinox badging, and of course the power adjustable two-tone leather seats, heated and ventilated, very comfortable. Of course, on the left side here, we're going to have our lighting control. That two-tone leather is going to continue out through the vehicle. Of course, on the left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and your heated steering wheel. And on the right side, you're going to have your odometer control, as well as your voice recognition, and volume and seek track on behind. Of course, we're going to have the classic Chevrolet odometer, the analog and digital. Of course, on to the center here, we're going to have our climate control. And down below, we're going to have an SD card reader, as well as 2 USB ports, and a wireless charging pad. And moving up top here, we're going to have our infotainment system, of course, with navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and as well as OnStar services. And you can also access your front and rear camera. And it's also going to come equipped with trailer tow mode. So if you're towing anything, need to access your trailer hitch or your wheels, there it is right there. Of course, it's going to have your park assist and automatic parking, as well as all-wheel drive. And moving inside here, we're going to have 2 USB ports and this removable storage compartment there as well. Passenger side's got that same finish with that two-tone leather. Same with the door. It's going to continue out through the dash. Bose speakers up top as well. Of course, up top here, we're going to have our OnStar services, and as well as our universal garage door opener, as well as sunglass case holder, and you can access your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these 19-inch aluminum wheels here. Of course, you're going to have the chrome Equinox badging with the paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handles. At the top, you're going to have a chrome luggage rack, as well as that black fin up there. Again, that chrome badging is going to kind of continue out through the back here as well. Of course, accessing the rear, you're going to have these foldable seats if you want to fold them down and make a lot more room. Without them, they are still lots of room in here. And of course, we're going to have our wheel well storage under. Very spacious rear. But moving on to the rear, it's going to have that same style again. It's continuing out through the vehicle. You're going to have that cup holder there. Of course, the chrome handle with the power windows. Moving into the rear, of course, you're going to have legroom, passengers, and driver seat storage, as well as rear ventilation, rear heated seats, and as well as 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger. For that ultimate comfort, of course, the cup holder and armrest with the lamps and handles above you, and as well as that dual pane sunroof, again, right above you. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine. It's also going to come equipped with the Chevrolet safety assist package, as well as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual pane sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.